Hi there, good afternoon. This is Diane Doyle with Plant-Based Dallas. Another how-to video on cooking 2 items in the Instapot at one time. I have here in some water, I have some rinsed black beans and some rinsed barley. Both of these require about 24 to 28 minutes in the Instapot. That's why I chose the 2 of them. With your barley, there is 2 kinds of barley. There's pearled barley, which doesn't require as much cooking as the whole grain, which is called the hulled or hull-less barley. So this is the hulled barley, the hull-less barley, and it needs to cook a little bit longer than the pearl barley. So both of these require about 26 to 28 minutes. I've rinsed them both really well, added them to my Instapot, put plenty of water in it. It doesn't matter if you put too much water because the grains and the beans will only absorb what they need, and we're going to be rinsing off and draining the remaining water anyway. Also, if you'll see what I have floating in here, I have a strip of seaweed or a sea vegetable called kombu, and I buy this on Amazon. And I always add kombu to all of my beans when I cook them in the Instapot or on the stove for added iodine. And once it's cooked, this will break apart into little pieces, and I'll cut it up real fine, and then we'll consume it inside there. No one will even know that they're eating some sea vegetables. Okay, I'm not going to spice it up at all when I Instapot it. I'm just going to cook it plain. After we put it on manual for 28 minutes, then we're going to let it cool naturally, let the pressure release. And once it's cooled and I open it up, let it cool a little bit more, then I'm going to rinse all the starch off this. Put this into a nice colander, and I'm going to rinse it in cold water and get all the sticky starch off. Then I'll put it back into a pot, and then I'll spice it up. I'll probably put salsa on this batch, but then that will be my basis for any meal this week. I can put it on a salad, I can put it in a burrito, I can put it in the beginnings of a bowl. But this saves me a lot of time in cooking this week. So again, use your Instapot if you have one. Cook 2 or 3 things at one time. This is great that we can do this. And saves you lots of time in the kitchen, and we don't have to heat up our oven, not near as much in this hot summer weather. Okay, I'll shoot you a picture after I'm done. Y'all have a great day. Go enjoy a little bit of this Texas sunshine. Bye-bye.